Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download 1xbet in iPhone. So it is very simple to do. First of all, you need first to type on your search bar 1xbet to see if the application is there. So by typing it, by now looking forward, you will see that the application is not there. So what are we going to do? You will just go on to your profile up here, and from here you will just enter into country or region so as to change your country where you are. Then from here, you need to modify the country. So I will take the Nepal. So this is Nepal. I will click on Nepal. I will accept the general condition. And then from here, I will put none. And then by going down, you will see add your address. Now you will enter all the address which are required here, like the street, the city, county, postcode, and telephone number. Then as you can see, I've entered all my information from Nepal address. Then I will just click on next. And then now you will come back to your research bar and type once more 1xbet so as to see if the app is now there. And now you can see that the 1xbet app is just here. You will just click on it and you will install the app. And when the installation will be done, you will just enter and click on it. And then from here, you will now click on inscription as you have entered in your 1xbet app, and you will choose the option by mail. So by choosing the option by mail, you will enter all your personal information up to here, and you will go downward till your promotional code, and you will enter the promo code BOTV, whereby this promo code will help you to get 300% of bonus by putting on your first transaction, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will perceive and receive up till $30 because of this promotional code, and it is as easy as that.